Hi everyone, this is group 36 and our project is called Tune Tracker for music lovers to search and communicate on tracks or albums. This is our homepage. At this moment, we can search for songs, albums, or artists using the Spotify web API. For example, we can search for the song's name or even a keyword. We click search and it shows the track name, the artist, the album name, and the release date, the album image. We can also search by using the artist. For example, if we search Beyonce, we click search. It shows all the Beyonce's tracks or albums, provides the track name, album, the release date, and the album image. So you can have a look. All is about Beyonce's. And at this moment, we are working on to add more functions for the like and add to playlist buttons. So once the user is logged in, we can manage, and the user can manage their filtered songs. We have also set up the light mode and the dark mode for our website. This is how it looks in the dark mode, and this is how it looks in the light mode. So we have already handled the light mode and the dark mode. Now let's come to the register and the login part. First, it shows the login page. If you have already had an account, you can log in directly. If not, you click register here, which shows the registration page. You need to provide a unique username and the email and the password. For example, we can try here. We can say Tom and tom@gmail.com. Provide a password 123. At this moment, you can provide a very easy password, but you need to make sure the passwords need to be matched. If not, if you click registered, it will say password need to be not matched. So to remind the user to keep the password's consistency. And if we fix that, we click registered. Oh, it will remind us the user already exists, means you can just log in directly. You don't need to register now. If I'm a new user, for example, I use Ollie and I'll provide Ollie's email. And we can make the password maybe more complicated. And we click registered. If it succeeds, it says registered successfully. Please log in. And I click OK. It jumps back to the login page directly. You can see that the email address has already been filled in. So you just need to provide the password you have already set up. So I type the password, I click login. And it says login successfully. I click OK. It will show the user profile page and says welcome or Ollie. And then you can click log out. It jumps back to the home page, and then we can come back to our SQL, the database, to see if the user's data has been recorded. We can select all from the user, and you can find the Ollie has already been recorded. And we use the UUID to identify each individual user, and then use the bcrypt package to hash our password. And this is how we connect our backend to the MySQL database. Now let's come back to our web page. Our web application is designed with a mobile and desktop compatibility. And this is how it looks like on a desktop. And this is how it looks like on a phone. For example, this looks like on the iPhone 12. We may need to add more styling functions to make it more fancy. Okay, thank you for your watching.